In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a random hex color in JavaScript. This is a really easy thing to do. So we're going to declare a hex variable and assign to it a string that inside of it has the pound symbol. And then we're going to concatenate the call to Math.random. The result of Math.random is going to convert it to a hexadecimal value using the toString method with base 16. And now if I console log the value of hex, I'm getting this number. So this means that basically I need to skip the 0 dot after the pound sign to get a correct number. So the way to do that is I'm just going to use the substring method. And the substring method accepts a single number, let's say 9. And it seems that this implementation is correct. However, we're not always going to get this exact number of digits. So basically, if you use the substring of 9 here, it's not guaranteed that we're always going to get a hexadecimal number with 6 digits. So instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to do 2,8. So it means that basically I'm instructing JavaScript to skip the first 0 and dot and just use the next 6 characters. So as you can see, if I do 0.8, I'm getting 0.8b whatever. If I do 1,8, then I get dot f whatever. And finally, if I do 2,8, I get the expected hexadecimal value. That's it, a very simple exercise of generating a random hex value in JavaScript.